Hi friends, now we have Lenovo IdeaPad laptop. The model is IdeaPad 315ALC6 laptop. In the laptop, Windows is not booting. In BIOS, hard disk is not showing. For this, I will show you how to remove the panel. First, you switch on the laptop. Sorry, switch off the laptop. Then remove all the screws. This is the NVMe slot. It is battery, RAM. This is the Wi-Fi card. This is the NVMe slot. Now you try to refix the NVMe. Afterwards, if it is working fine, okay. Otherwise, replace it. Now it is 512 GB. Okay. Thank you.